Hello, what I have here is a 10-inch 2-speed Sears and Roebuck oscillating table fan. This fan was made for Sears and Roebuck by McGraw in the early 1970s. As you can see, this has a green transparent blade with a safety cage. Has 2 off positions on the switch. Get a look at the tag on the bottom. The fan also oscillates, if I haven't mentioned that already. Let's give it a go. Low speed. .37 of an amp. And high speed. Pretty powerful. .6 amps. Oh yeah. Engage the oscillation. There's a little plastic nut in the bottom here. You loosen that. You move the cam over. This fan had was missing the knob, and it had a broken gear inside of it, but I salvaged those from another fan. Got it working again. Anyways, that's it for this little 10-inch Sears and Roebuck made by McGraw early 1970s. Thanks for watching.